Okay, here's our next curb find. It's kind of interesting air conditioner. I had one of these before. I had one of these last year. I had two actually. This is a Kenmore. There's also like a Frigidaire version. It's slightly different though. I don't know if they're exactly the same, but they're very similar. Anyway, this is the Kenmore. It is all plastic. The entire case is plastic. The Frigidaire version is metal. This is entirely plastic. It's not necessarily a bad thing. You know, for the case to be all plastic, at least it can't rust, you know. Appears to be in good condition. Got both the side panels. Both look like they're good. And yeah, so the idea of this is a low profile air conditioner. It just doesn't block your window that much. So I have not turned it on yet. I got it plugged in. Let's put it on fan first. That's high speed fan. It's duh. Pushing the wrong button. That's low. One of the nice things about these air conditioners is they actually have two motors in it. It has a separate motor, which I believe, I don't know if we can see it, but the big long squirrel cage tube in here for the fan. And there's a separate motor over here. You know, whereas traditional air conditioner just has the one motor which runs both the fans. Right, that's whisper quiet. That's a low speed fan. Medium. High. Alright, so let's try cool. There's cool. Oh. Compressor's running. A bit of a rattle going there. That might be the panels rattling. It's an LG compressor. Sounds good. It's quiet. Very quiet. It's only got this one little hole on the top. You can actually see through, and there's another hole that goes out the bottom. It's not for drainage, maybe overflow drainage, but there's like a raised wall around that hole. Oh yeah, this works. This is cold already. Yeah, this is working. This definitely works. It's very cold already. There's a little bit of a rattle. I'm pretty sure that's just the side panel. I hope. Not rattling, no. I don't think that's anything to worry about. Oh yeah, this is nice. This works perfect. There you go. It's called a PlasmAire or PlasmAire. I don't know. Not really sure. PlasmAire or PlasmAire. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Pretty cool looking air conditioner. It's got this nice channel that your window fits in. And these are kind of fitted on a little piece there so they don't, they're not going to pop out. Yeah. Wow, this is nice and cold. Beautiful. So this is definitely a good resale item. Alright, so I am quite happy with this. It's not dirty. A little bit of dust, but looks good. Yeah, this works great. Well, very cold air. Louver doesn't move too much, but a little bit, and then get your side to side things. Yeah, so I'm gonna call this a winner. So, see you next time. And here's the specs on this PlasmAire. Forgot to show that. 6,000 BTU. 10.7 EER. I don't know if there's a date. I don't see a date. Not really sure how old these are. Maybe 2010 or so. Maybe a little older than that, I'm not sure. There you go.